Descriptive essay. My favorite TV program. The television, TV, is part and parcel of many households. Therefore, watching television is a culture of today's modern society. It is a favorite pastime of many people, cutting across the culture, creed, gender, and age. I must admit that I too enjoy sitting glued to the TV, as Mum often laments. Since I watch TV whole day long, I don't blame Mum. However, whenever I watch my favorite TV program, she doesn't complain. In fact, she often sits together to watch it, the National Geographic. The National Geographic is a well-known documentary program, focusing mainly on the ever-changing world, on Mother Earth, and on nature and peoples and creatures that color it with. Just the press of a switch and a button, and hey presto, the whole world is brought before me, for me to savor its beauty and wonders. Personally, I am often awed and amazed with them. I like this program because it is very educational. It is a window to the world. By watching it, I can travel, explore and discover the four corners of the world. I have trekked up the highest peak and conquered Mt. Everest. I have dived down the deepest trenches. I have walked through the wilderness and be amongst the wild beasts, big and small. Thus, this program has helped to expand my horizon and improve my knowledge and experience. I can proudly say I am no more a frog in the well. I also enjoy watching the National Geographic because it is entertaining, interesting, and stimulating. I never imagined that such an educational program can be very enjoyable. I get a chance to enjoy the kaleidoscope of sights, sounds and colors of the world and its different peoples, all in the comfort of my own home. In addition to that, this program is of very high quality and it is produced by a team of experts, all are authorities in their own field of interest. The photographic footage is extremely breathtaking and inspiring. Besides, the narration is very accurate, informative, vivid, and descriptive. Thus, I have never felt restless, distracted or bored watching this program. The National Geographic is my favorite program as it has helped me to grow and mature. I have watched it since I was a 7-year-old innocent child. Now, I am more sensitive and aware of the world and Mother Earth. I learned to be more appreciative of Mother Earth and its beauty and wonders. I am more concerned about the preservation and conservation of the world, not only now but also for posterity. In short, the National Geographic has converted me into a more responsible citizen of the world and a caretaker of Mother Earth. It is a touching and heartwarming TV program and I will not hesitate to recommend it to others so that they too have a chance to savor amazing moments and appreciate and care for the one and only world we live in.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.